Guess where we are? Around the bath.
Oh, we should. How creative.
No, I'm just. We can put it higher. Guys, my knees!
I don't know where to stand. Hello.
To our new game show. Here's a name, so a title.
I keep calling it the skincare race.
The skincare race.
Yeah, that's what I've been telling people. I'm like, oh, we're doing a skincare race.
So, here are the rules. Someone asked the other person, one of us asked someone.
We're going to get a
live
audience member.
Audience. Yeah. I was going to ask one of us a general knowledge question. If you get it right, you get to use one of our skincare products. If you get it wrong, you have to wait until next go. And the aim is to get through all of them the quickest.
This has kindly been sponsored and sent to us by YESSTYLE. Yeah.
Let's show you what we have.
Ooh. Yeah, okay, this is really easy. Okay, what is the capital of Spain?
Madrid. Is that right?
Wait, let me see, it doesn't have the answers.
I think they're at the bottom.
It is Madrid. Wow, you
What do I get?
What's your face? Whichever you want to do first.
This one?
Yeah.
I'm still wearing makeup.
Yeah, because I just, ooh, that's a fancy bottle.
Oh, okay. That'll be enough.
Yeah, I think
Look.
It looks good.
Ready?
This is not a good smell.
Ooh. I should have tied my hair up.
I've got a little clip if you want to smell it.
It just smells like nothing. It's unscented, which is good.
That's good. We don't want extra scents in Lithuania.
No. How many capital cities does South Africa have?
Oh, is it 2 or is it 3? I think it's 3. It's Cape Town, Johannesburg, and the other one.
Yeah, 3. And
Yay!
Bloemfontein.
This is quite nice actually. It feels foamy.
Come on.
What art form is described as decorative handwriting or handwritten lettering?
Calligraphy.
Yeah. Wow. What are you doing? I'm not very good at unboxing.
This is what it looks like. It's pink.
Wow.
What are there's no directions. Apply, spread it thickly on the face.
Thickly.
Okay, how long am I meant to leave it on for?
I don't know.
Very nice. Just rub it.
Like a little rub. Where will you put it? Oh yeah. It smells herbally. It smells like fancy like spa body wash.
What is a group of pandas known as? I'll ask you the one below as well.
Oh, we went to a panda sanctuary.
Yeah, this is why I thought you might know it
I should have
actually.
known this. A roll.
I don't find one.
No. And say maybe like huddle or something, or huddle of pandas.
Really?
Yeah.
An embarrassment.
I did know that.
Shall I ask you one more?
Yes, please.
What European country experienced the highest rate of population decline from 2015 to 2020?
Oh my goodness, this is like human geography. European country, Denmark.
Is that your final answer?
Yes.
Wrong!
Oh no!
Lithuania. That's why
Why does Lithuania? I need to learn more about Lithuania. Oh, this is mean.
Oh.
How many minutes are in a full week? I wouldn't know this either.
Can I do some maths?
Yeah, do some maths. Do a little.
So, we're saying there's 24 hours in a day.
I mean, are you sure?
I'm saying there is.
Okay.
24 times 7 is 168.
Mm-hmm.
Oh wait, maybe I should do 60 times 24. Would that be how many minutes there are?
That's how many minutes there are in
a day. And then I times it by 7.
Times it by 7.
10,008.
That is correct. Wow.
No, do I
I
get
should have disallowed your calculator. You should have had to do mental maths for that. Come on, you did well in maths in the end as well.
Should I use this one?
Yeah, go. Tone yourself. DERMAFIRM.
I like this one. I think this is my favourite so far. Look how far Lois is behind me.
Okay.
What character have both Robert Downey Jr. and Benedict Cumberbatch played?
Oh, why have I forgotten his name? I forgot his name. Sherlock Holmes.
Yeah!
There we go. I was straight up about to say Doctor Who. Oh, it does smell minty. Minty fresh.
Do you hear my skin? It's squeaking.
Feels expensive. I'm gonna put it on my pore problem areas.
Can you see my crazy tan? You can. That's my strap.
I'm really good at this. Many talents, one of which is applying face masks.
Oh,
Yeah.
I thought I should say the person who loses has to do a forfeit.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
This wasn't. Oh no. What is this forfeit?
I know.
Do you have one in mind?
Well, I was thinking we should just make someone post something on their Instagram.
Yeah. Oh, who holds the record for winning the most Oscars? It's probably not who you think, but it's quite a prominent figure. It's not an actor, I'll give you.
Not an
Look
actor.
how dry I am. This is really blurring. I look like smooth.
It's not an actor, so is it a singer?
For an Oscar?
Yeah.
Nope.
Walt Disney.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. Whoa.
Oh my goodness.
I thought I wasn't gonna get that.
See, I gave away too much. I'm too nice. This is my problem.
Is this the one I want to use?
Yeah, I think that's the way you should
Oh.
Oh, it's so pretty. Wow, how violent. What does it smell like? Oh, you can't smell it yet. I'm gonna wash this off. It's making my face tighten.
I'll just use the other side
When
of
it goes on my
my
hair.
cotton bud.
Oh, wow, reusable. Environmental queen.
Ooh.
Does it smell of anything?
Gentle purifying solution for all skin types.
Wow. I'm also washing.
It smells a bit sweet,
That's quite fun.
but not strong.
I quite like this because I don't think anything's scented. They just have natural scents for like what's in them, which is always good. Because scented products are not usually the way.
These are my favourite bottles.
Bottles.
And you could use this as a water bottle.
I mean, okay.
How many of the original 6 Avengers die at the end of Avengers Endgame?
Oh my god. Who are the original 6? Captain America, Iron Man, Thor, Hulk, Iron Man, Iron Man. But at the end of Avengers Endgame. She died in Endgame. Iron Man, Iron Man, 3 Captain America, alive. I'm gonna say 2.
Yep.
Yay! Overthinking.
Oh.
This feels nice. This doesn't feel stripping. It feels just like gentle. What is the most watched YouTube video of all time?
Let me confide with the viewers.
Does anyone know?
I think it is. I don't know. The Baby Shark?
Yeah. It has 11 billion views.
Ooh!
Look at that's a nice colour.
I like
That's cool.
it. Feels
It
nice.
does feel nice.
No.
Well, I actually don't know that. I don't
Tell lies.
I am just assuming.
Okay, what show currently holds Netflix's all-time viewership record?
Oh.
It might have changed.
It came out on my yesterday. I think it was on 23. Okay. There was something on my yesterday. I said, watch the show. I like this, but I don't remember the name. I don't know. Yeah, I know. Yeah, did I say it? No, it's really famous.
It's you know what?
Oh, is this Squid Game?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, I see. Look how pretty it is. It's like green and it's pink in the writing.
For our last
But it does smell
question,
kind of sweet.
My last question.
Your last question. You want to do the
Ask me the
K-pop one?
K-pop one.
You will.
But find a really difficult
A
one.
really difficult K-pop question. Which winner music video is shot completely in black and white? I'll ask you another one if you don't get this one, because it's me.
No. It's like, the other one that you made. That was like really. Is that even a win? That's the one! No! Wow! Oh no!
Okay, you have to ask me a nice one.
Well, I've won.
Yeah.
So you lose.
I still want to do questions though.
Okay.
I like...
I'm just going to use a little bit.
Okay.
Sorry, guys. Oh, this one has a very smell.
This one has a very smell.
Smell it.
Hmm.
It smells nice though. It smells like something for children.
No, it smells like grape soda.